Hey there, this is Frank Velasquez with AHN Sports Performance and Physical Therapy. Here at our Wexford Plaza facility, we're going to talk about some balance drills that we can do, very simple to a little more advanced. Starting out, if you can see my feet, I took my shoes off. Starting out with a simple one-legged balance. So you can start off 10 seconds at a time, switching feet. And if you want to make this more difficult, just close your eyes and that will take some of your balance away and it makes the drill more difficult. Make sure you're not by any sharp edges. One step up from that, we're going to go to the Airex pad. It's just a piece of foam that's going to make for uneven terrain for me, a little with instability. So you can see the same drill, just 10 second balancing drills, where I can close my eyes again to make it more difficult. And my brain is communicating with my body to recruit more muscle fibers to keep me balanced because the ground is shaky. To go one step up from that, we go to our BOSU ball. A little more expensive, we're talking about $150. You can either stand on the round side or the flat side. Again, no shoe on, I put that dot in the middle of my foot and I'm doing my balancing. I can do some different drills up here, one-legged RDLs. We do a lot with our throwers. We simulate that throwing motion, working on balance. We can also have a partner throw the med ball with you and throw it at little different placements. You can go on the side, you can go forward, and having fun while doing it. Again, make sure the surrounding is safe, working both legs. You're really working individual legs. As people, we're always on one leg. You want to create stability from the foot, ankle on up. These are 3 great ways to do it.